So without further ado, I would like to welcome you, introduce this is your CC Toys X, or it's a Beyblade. Whoa, they're so bold, man. They really use the logo of that Beyblade X, literally. You can see that right there. And these are the 4 Beyblades again of the plastic generation, or the back out and shoot Beyblade. And yeah, you can see there at the back, it's Takao, Max, Kai, and Ray. Yeah, so nostalgic, man. And as I know, these Beyblades right now are the GT. Yeah, this is the more advanced, especially of the Dragoon and the Drasil. So you can see right there, and I can open them. I would like really to open them to show you the blades, okay? And before we open, these are the blades right there. Inside the box, you can see there is the, let me have a pointer, man. There's your Dragoon, your Drasil, the Dragoon, GT Dragoon, Dragoon GT. Is that how to, it's called that, you call it, the Drasil, the Dranzer, and the Drigger. Then you have the Beats. And as you can see, they're Beat Beasts. This is based a Beyblade X bootleg or fake Beyblade X based on this 6 line, man. Because you can see there is a gear chip at the center, and the question is, can we get it out on the blade itself, or cannot? Is it already attached? Is it screwed? Or yeah, because it's fake, man. So we really don't know. So it's not yet an unboxing. I just want to really show you the blades inside, or the Beyblades inside. Yeah. So because if we go unboxing to this one, I would like to make it individual. To introduce you first to the Dragoon, and then after to the Drasil, and then the Drigger, and then the Dranzer. Yeah, like that. And still we have those. Yeah. Unfortunately, we still have these kinds of reports, and it's not the original one. It's not. They don't copy the original reports. Yeah, it still doesn't have the spaces up there, so you can't use this on the originals. Okay, so right here they have a launcher. Yeah, and the launcher is also the same with the old one. Yeah. Oh, I feel a little bit heavy on there.